Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Dalgona candy on Just to Impress. So it looks really weird from the front, but if you look at it from the top it does look good. I might actually just take a picture right now real quick just for the thumbnail because I was struggling just now. You do need VIP for this for the toothpick, so let's get started with the video. I'm just going to remove everything except for this one. You know what? I'm just going to keep everything. So for the plate, I just used this hat from the World Cultures Day in 797979 in metallic. For this one, scale it up to 1, position the Y at 0.18. And then for this one, I like scaled it all the way to the top here, but then I saved that outfit and then I put it on again and then scale it like to the very right. So it's like a little bit bigger than its original size. Colored it CD8E4B. Positioned the Y at 0. Rotated the X at 0.29. And again, scale it all the way to the top. Then for the indentations, I use headbands. Select this one first, the thin one, in 8C6033. Position the X at 0.63, Y 0.48, Z 0.41. Rotate the Y to 0.38 and scale it to 1. Grab the fluffy earmuffs, color it the same, position the X to 0.75, Y 0.47, and Z 0.64. Rotated the Y at 1 and Z 0.53 and scaled it to 0.92. One more thing I want to add is I used the leather material on like all of them, like all the candy ones. Get this hat for like the cover in that same color as the bowl in metallic. Position the X at 0, Y 0.84 and Z 0.57. Rotate the X to 0.39, Y 0.48 and Z 0.6 and scale it to 1. Grab this headband, the thick one in that same color in leather. Oops. And then position the X 0.48, Y 0.5, Z 0.56. Rotate the X to 0.91, Y at 0 and Z at 1. Scale it all the way to 0.83. Lastly, grab the sword in VIP and color it just this peach color. Sorry, cream color, EDBE9B, this one. And we're just going to toggle it to the sideways one. And that's it. It was very hard for me to remake this, but I kind of did. It's not the exact same, but it's pretty close to the original one. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.